Hello YouTube, today is part 2 of me becoming a beauty guru. That was so cringy. Hey guys, so I'm currently in my bathroom and it's like 10 a.m. and my brother's asleep, so I hope I don't wake him up. Anyways, today I am doing, also my ear's messed up and like I can't hear all of it and it's really irritating. Anyways, today I'm doing a get ready with me. I don't know why, I just feel like being a beauty guru lately, doing makeup related videos. Yeah. Also, today I'm going to the mall, so that's why I actually felt like doing makeup, because I used to always, in like 7th and 8th grade when I went to the mall, I would cake the frick out of my face. It did not necessarily look good, but it was fun and it was interesting, so I thought I would go back to my roots, you know, do something that I used to do. I don't know. So today you're gonna get ready with me. Enjoy! Okay, so we're gonna start out by moisturizing. So just, oh dang it, whoa. So guys, I wanted to I don't know what I wanted to do. On my last video, I basically forced people to request doing a This is my exact freaking face realizing that I have been speaking English for literally like my whole life, 16 years, and I can't speak it at the same time. I hate myself, okay, bye. To do a mukbang, and I actually got comments requesting it, so thank you guys for requesting that. However, I have no idea when I'll actually do it, because like, I don't know. I look red. I dampened my sponge. We're gonna like prime with the primer that I no longer have. We're gonna prime our faces with the Too Faced Hangover Primer. While I conceal my face, I'm going to listen to music, so. By the way, look. I don't know why I put this on, but I have a flamingo necklace. Is that not adorable? I found it randomly while like going through some stuff and I have yet to wear it, so I'm gonna wear it today, even though it doesn't really work with this, but whatever. Okay, so my concealer is almost, it's basically rubbed it all the way. I can't tell. So right before I bake, I like to like lightly kind of put powder in my face just so the bake doesn't like take it off. I don't know if that's just me. I just think it takes it off because it's like a sponge and it's just, you know. So now I'm gonna go in with this bake. This is the, what is this? This is the NYX loose powder. I've heard it sucks. I've had it for like a year or two and people still say it sucks. I don't really care. I know it's not amazing, but I like it. It's cheap. I inhaled it and it's so freaking hot in here. What am I doing? Okay, so I basically just put it all over my face and now I'm just gonna wait like, actually, I don't want to wait. I never wait for it to bake or whatever. About like 2 seconds after I apply it. About like 2 seconds after I apply the bake, I'm just gonna wipe it off, honestly, because I hate. Can you shut the frick up? It's just so hard to be like popular. I'm gonna sweat through these clothes. It's like boiling. It's hell in here, literally. After the powder, I'm going to go in with bronzer. I got this also too. I got this in 8th grade. And I remember reading reviews saying it was crap. And you know what? For me, it's honestly kind of amazing. I don't really know how to contour or anything. I kind of want to learn. But for me just to like put a little bit right there, kind of good. And this is after like I use this every day, and or not every day, but like almost every day. And there's still a lot left. So clearly I'm doing something right here. I keep complaining about how it's so freaking hot, yet I continue drinking a warm coffee because I clearly am lacking in brain cells. I received 2 comments in one day on 2 separate videos that were posted like at 2 very separate times, both accusing me of being high during a video. Actually, this is gonna be embarrassing, but does crack, does that make you like high? I don't know anything about drugs. I don't do drugs. I have never done a drug. So when I make references like, like I'm on crack, like I don't actually know what being on crack is like. But I had a video saying like, no hate, like I love this video, like lol. But were you high? And I had another thing of like, was she on crack during this? I'm gonna go in with the darker colors and choose on my cheeks. Now I'm gonna dampen, moisten. I'm gonna spray my face with this water. It's a few years old, but I do that like right before I put highlighter on because it just makes my face look less powdery. Did I say highlight? Powder? I don't know. Eyebrow time. Before you watch me film my eyebrows, you should be very aware of the fact that I suck at filling my eyebrows. I always have been, I always will be, and my eyebrows are just genetically screwed up. Yeah, enjoy. I don't remember the last time I did my eyebrows, to be completely honest. Like, towards the last month of school, I stopped filling them and I only put mascara on for school. I also let them grow out, like, a lot. Like, right there. It's a party. No, but like, honestly, I kind of just don't, I like my eyebrows more when they're like out, like overgrown and like messy. So let's see how this goes, because I never fill them in because I don't really. And then I completely forgot what I was saying. Awesome. It's so hot here. Okay, so like from a straight on angle. What the hell is that? The brow, it looks a little like, you know, crazy, but it looks kind of normal. But then when I like turn my face. How about we start a GoFundMe? Because clearly I'm too much of a cheap little baby to like go get them waxed. Also, it hurts. So, yeah. Hey there, Delilah, look so pretty, yes you do. I swear it's true, right it all. I don't, what the? Oh my god, this is because of that stupid makeup video I did the other day. My eyebrows are sweating. I have like 5 of these Tarte mascaras because I refuse to throw my makeup away, so I don't know which one's which. Oh my god, it was like, I don't know if I was just hot or something, but it just was getting like, I was burning up in my bathroom, so now I'm in my room, but there's something I've been wanting to try for a long time, and it's a bandana. They've been trendy for quite some time, and it doesn't really go with what I'm wearing, but I don't know. Like, I want to tie it around my head. Yeah, and this is how big it is. It's actually kind of, wow. I'm happy it's big because my mom has a bandana, and I was like super excited I was going to use it. And it was like that big. The only problem is I have no idea how to use it. Coachella. Okay, so I rolled it up. That is ugly. My madre's home. I don't know how to work with this, and it's kind of just upsetting me, honestly. This is a joke. I'm sorry. Okay, we're not gonna do anything with that. I'll just go like this. Off to the mall. Okay, so anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this joke of a video. It sucked, I know it did. Just wanted to, you know, like, do makeup because trying to, like, expand my content, you know. I hope you enjoyed. I think I already said that. Yeah, so subscribe, like, and comment down below. Bye!